So in addition to our bachelor degree and our PhD program, we have our international master's program, in which we are doing in conjunction with certain of our partners as well too. And our partners ranges from academic institution, and also to certain experiential learning organization that wants to make things to actually work in a different way, which means it's not just about going to do a second degree and you look as if you've not gone for first degree. No, it's not about just as a certificate for you to be able to be relevant in the global marketplaces. Let's look at what we have. Firstly, we have our strategic MBA program. How relevant is MBA? And like I mentioned in my earlier presentation, one of the challenges we discover in our research is that MBA has moved from just a functional, operational to a strategic level thinking. Because there's no way an MBA or a manager can be an omnibus. You go and do an MBA, that does not mean that you can manage any company. So what we've discovered is that MBA need to be structured in a way that can handle certain areas, which is why our research shows that, especially for emerging economy or developing economy, like in Africa, West Africa, we needed strategic, specialized MBA program that make people to be relevant in certain areas. And these areas are in high demand. Not that you are not just doing a second degree just because you want to keep it at home. It's in high demand. And like I said earlier, the key major part of our program is that you have the free access all over at least West Africa to be able to be relevant for employability and for you to be able to apply your trade as an entrepreneur, either in consulting, in development, or in many advisory that you want to do. So we have this array of MBA program that we are running, and the key part of our MBA program is it is actually half experiential learning. So from day one, you are in a practical classroom, not only with case studies alone, but also too you are having hands-on together with internship as well to be able to assist you that after your first semester, one of the condition is that you must start running the business. Before you leave the MBA program, you must have developed a business model or a business, or at least an advisory or consulting that is already generating something meaningful for you as well too. So we have the regular program which we believe will actually help so much. You can check our website for further information. Then we have our other master's program. They are just strategically just developed, like I said, with our various partners across the globe as well too. One of the major partners is one of the major program is the Masters in Transportation that focuses more on personal planning, policy and system, a major area that this particular environment needed more than anything. In logistics management that is in high demand with so much all around us, really in some capitals of the world that the logistics was already thrown into the game. They don't even know where to begin, how to do distribution, how to do scheduling, how to do all. These are the areas we are focusing on. And maritime, a lot of economy, especially West Africa, have signed cabotage law, but nobody is taking advantage of that. These are the areas we are focusing upon. How you can use this master to actually transform yourself, take advantage of this and develop the system by becoming an employer from day one of the program. Another masters we have also too is in security, like we made mention earlier, focusing more on these key areas: safety, security, emergency management. We are going to look also too at the growing cybersecurity area that is actually growing with criminal justice administration as well too at this level. In addition to that, then we have our computer and technology division as well too. We are going to be running specialized computer sciences and technology area of courses as well too, as listed here as well, to be able to groom the next area of Silicon Hub within the region. In addition to that too, our communication master for those who are graduates of communication that want to get hands-on experiences and new learning, new thinking in the area of communication. This particular course is actually meant for you. Then we have another key important area, our international master in finance program as well too. This program is actually for those graduates that have done finance related area like accounting, economics, that would like to just not to just do a second degree, but want to do second degree that actually matters. This is why we are develop these particular courses. The curriculum from day one will tell you that you are not making any mistake by decision to run the program. These are the list of the programs, currently major programs that CPTech is offering. Our website idea, our admission officers are always on hand to attend to you, to guide you through. But what we are telling you is any investment in any CPTech program is actually an investment of a lifetime. You have people around that wants to go to, don't just send them to school. Send them to school that can actually develop them, that they can actually be a developer, a transformer from day one. Just don't make any decision on academic career without checking CPTech out. We are fully accredited, and also so we have the expertise locally and abroad to actually make it worthwhile for you to be able to run your program as well too. We are ready, we are running. Our e-program is always in there as well too. Our education to employment to entrepreneurship. This is our motto for the past 20 years. Anyone we train outside the academic system will always tell you that the only thing we focus upon, we educate you for employment, we educate you for entrepreneurship. Anywhere you find yourself, you are a success from the day one go. Our programs are globally relevant from day one. So anywhere you go in the world, you do not need to actually start from anywhere. You are starting from the grassroots, you start at the top. These are the key major important areas that we have. Our job, our vision is to make you a leading player, especially in this current regional economy that is begging for skilled, productive skills to assist it out of where it is. Again, I want to say thank you very much for your time.